How to clear Facebook cache on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear Facebook cache on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap Setting in Privacy and choose Settings. Scroll down. Under Preferences, select Browser. Under Browsing Activity, choose Cookies and Cache and tap Clear button. Tap Clear and you can clear Facebook cache in this way. Second step is simply you have to hop into Settings or else you can tap and hold Facebook and the I button or App Info button. Once you access this section, choose Storage Uses. Tap Clear Cache and you are good to go. This way you can easily clear Facebook cache on your Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.